The Botánico del Parque de María Luisa in Seville, Spain, generally receives many positive reviews, with visitors praising its beautiful and well-maintained gardens, diverse plant life, serene atmosphere, and perfect location within the picturesque Maria Luisa Park, making it a great spot to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of Seville. Many consider it a must-visit when exploring the city. Ito po Seville, Spain. Kung tawagin natin sa ating mga Pilipino ay Sevilla, Spain, ay isa pong magandang pasyalan, park, garden, na dito po matatagpuan sa Sevilla, Spain. Tulad po na nakikita nyo, ang madaming fruits of orange. Sabi nga po nila, napakatatamis daw po nitong bunga na ito. In some people na nagpupunta or nagtutur dito sa lugar na ito, and they have a good positive vibes. Sabi nga nila, beautiful and relaxing place for a nice walk to visit the playgrounds. So, ibig sabihin, napakaganda naman po talaga at saka napakalinis ng playgrounds na ito at ng mga garden ay sariwa. Some are saying that small shops selling souvenirs like ice cream and drinks and colorful flowers. Katulad po ito nakikita nyo, bloom na bloom and colorful talaga. I think this is red, pink, and good drink. Okay po ang pod, great people watching, and friendly people lang nandito. And free entry, beautiful, tranquil, and peaceful as it's so vast. Plenty of water floors and places to sit, relax, and enjoy beautiful exotic surrounds. Ganito po ang karaniwang nasasabi ng mga tao na pupunta rito, and kapag po kayo nandito na talagang mamamangha kayo. Maganda, malinis talaga yung lugar. Katulad naman lang po nito, sabi nga nila itong falls na to, kalinis. And the park, you can also find statues of two great Spanish writers, Gustavo Adolfo Bécquer and Miguel de Cervantes. And there are also a number of fountains, such as the Lion Fountain and the Water Lily Pool. Ganyan po kaganda ang lugar na ito. It is an unrepeatable, unique and beautiful enclave, and has everything you can ask for in its worth. Dedicating an hour to its different walks, squares, fountains, monuments. You will not stop visiting it because it is one of the iconic friends of Seville. Mag-enjoy po talaga kayo dito sa pamamasya. And katulad namin ng mga OFW, and ito po ang aming